We will simplify the trigonometric expression step by step. Here is the question and the options. Step 1. Simplify the first factor 1 minus sine squared theta. We use the Pythagorean identity. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Rearranging gives 1 minus sine squared theta equals cosine squared theta. Now substitute this into the product. Step 2. Simplify the second factor 1 plus tan squared theta. We use the identity 1 plus tan squared theta equals sec squared theta. Now substitute it in. Step 3. Use the reciprocal identity. Sec theta equals 1 over cosine theta. So sec squared theta equals 1 over cosine squared theta. This turns our product into cosine squared theta times 1 over cosine squared theta. Now cancel the common factor. We get 1. This corresponds to option B.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on Myverse Maths.